Hello, my name is Laura Vaughn. I'm 33. I live in North Muskegon. I have three kids, a teenager in high school and two 7-year-olds that are in first grade. I graduate in May from Muskegon Community College. I am taking criminal justice, so I have my associates in criminal justice. I plan to go to the police academy after I graduate. And then after the police academy, I plan to go on to MSU to either get my bachelor's or master's degree. I haven't decided yet. The things that interest me about ocean geography is the animals and the adventure of exploring the ocean and all of its aspects. Learning about it, learning how it works, why it's needed, things like that. I also printed off some art of what I think an ocean geographer would look like. I'm going to share those images with you. The second one is kind of Yankee because I ran out of ink on my printer. So the first one that I'm going to show you is this one. It kind of has two pictures. It has this lady over here with the shark, which would be really, really cool. And then it has this guy over here with the camera. And again, that would be a really cool job. And then I have this one, and it's a little Yankee, but you can see that it's a lady with some type of contraption and looks like maybe samples. It could be of the water, it could be of the bottom, it could be of some type of species. I'm not quite sure what the contraption's for. But I think it would be a really cool job to have. So yeah, there's a little bit about me, and I look forward to the rest of the semester with you guys and watching your videos. Thank you so much.